Can't me Aki Garland. Watch out graveyard me I work and me I sing in the song. What kind of song like I sing? Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hand. Jack. Oi. Yeah. Visiting time over a long time, sorry. You have to go.
I Jack my contract, man. Jack.
Visiting time over. When I check my granny before I used to work here, that's what everybody tell me. Me alone I work tonight. So they can't expect to see nobody if you distract me right now. Because conversation distract me. I have whole lot of clean up and stuff.
Jack.
You know, you may say.
I Jack my contract. Every night me and out man. Me and Jack, man. Yeah, man. See all my grave right this day, man.
Oh, you know, say, but they don't pay down, because I know family don't have it like that now, but they don't pay down like what you do it.
What kind of pay down you talk about? Alright, this is my berry, man. You see this? Look at me. Don't you see my name on the grave?
Sir, look here. Huh? Me alone work over here. My heart done weak for the day me born. So you can...
You see that look like Jack wake up there.
You pop up something there where you do. It's not going to work for me, because I never pronounce it.
Huh?
If you fight me like that, I never pronounce. So I can't take you back a pronunciation, because I even like
spell. You know, long dead about 20 years, you know.
Are you own that casket there?
Yeah.
In a grave?
Yeah, man, that one there, right? This is for me, man.
A grave, they look good, innit?
But you want to fix up.
Hold this. I quit.
Jack.